Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to show you a new video of an exclusive outlet. Guess which video it is. आप लोग को पता भी होगा, आपने देखा भी होगा, but in case you don't know, आपको पता नहीं तो I'll show you the latest outlet. It's just newly opened since 2 months. This is the great outlet, you can see. You can read the name. Is it clear? This is Cooper's Fudge and Chicky. I tell you, this brand is 90 years old, and their fudge is supposed to be the best in India. India की सबसे बड़ी quality, best quality is known of Cooper's. This is in Lonavala. It's a hill station in Maharashtra. It is just about 2 hours from Bombay. इन लोग की पुरानी दुकान है मार्केट में, but this they have opened since 2 months. And remember, I am the first one, my channel, to show you this video of Cooper's Fudge and Chickies in Lonavala. See how beautifully they are made. They made a beautiful garden for people to rest here. They have got enough parking place. Beautiful plants, greenery, lawns. I'm in a retail outlet selling just fudge, chickies and some snacks. It's impossible to believe such a beautiful place they have made. It is a 1-acre complex. They made the place so nice compared to the small shop in the market of Lonavala. They are ensuring that a person comes to buy one thing, but 4 चीज़ लेके चले जाएंगे. Their quality standard is so high. I will take you inside the shop and introduce you to the owner. This is Rashna, Miss Mazia, the owners of the company. They have taken a lot of hard work to build their brand and maintain the brand. I will show you the place around. They have got about 12 varieties of fudges.
Somewhere I like to go, out walking with my shadow in my garden, friend. Oh, Yahweh, I know you got me in hand, though I am tired. You So I'll be kinda wait and see. Just keep your eyes on me. Too many questions, not enough breath. How can I rest my head? Jesus, I know that you got the plan.
You can really see the standard of hygiene. Imagine the quality they have maintained since 90 years. The consistency of taste also. Thank you very much for allowing me to take a video of your shop. Thank you.